No.
Why you are
Made
earning
an
so
application.
much? Why you want interim maintenance?
Yes, I'll take. Two things. Family court declined maintenance on two grounds. I have suppressed the material facts. And second thing is that I have got sufficient income. All these information gathered from her TS clearly shows that she purchased the more than 2 crores and sold the property of rupees 56 lakhs 33,130. 2 crores is.
Expenses are 1,20,000. How much you are earning?
Please, madam.
Every month, how much you are earning?
I'm not earning anything. I left the job, everything. I represent the wife.
Yours?
And husband. I'm not, she represent the husband.
32.
There are two
My
matters.
lords,
There are two matters. First matter by the husband, which I represent. First.
Yes. What are these applicable? What
My
is
lords,
the
It is the matters between husband and wife. Matter was pending in Mumbai. Husband filed an application for transfer of that case. Wife is employed in Canada in a bank. So, in the transfer petition, Honorable Supreme Court called both parties, made efforts and a very lengthy efforts, and who found that she is also employed. Husband.
Oh, is it a case where that costs for traveling?
Exactly same. Actually, my lord said that cannot be indirectly. My lord can't be interpreted. We have paid that amount. Case is going on in the trial court. I'm informed.
So
that,
you question only that. So
that
your
the-
writ petition has to go.
please, my lord, and that was connected.
What is
with-
their writ petition?
That it
My lord,
should be paid,
my application claiming
maintenance.
interim maintenance was rejected. And court has granted me traveling expenses.
That now they are going to pay that.
They have already paid me.
So your petition also has to go.
No.
Why you are
Made
earning
an
so
application.
much? Why you want interim maintenance?
Yes, I'm sorry. It is not easy like what the opponent has said.
No, I read the order on the last.
Yes,
time.
my lords has said. My lords, I made an application seeking interim maintenance of rupees 1,50,000. My client is a graduate, MA, this thing, MA, she's a graduate of MA in political science. The husband is a doctor, MBBS, what is his qualification under that? MD in community medicine. MD in community medicine. I made an application for maintenance which was declined by the family court. And however, the court has ordered only for traveling expense from Mumbai to Mangalore. Agreed by that order, to that extent order, that is grant
before
of
the
traveling expense, the husband has preferred a writ petition. I am before this court agreed by the family court order declining me
Come
to
to the
grant the.
family court's order. Why the
Correct.
family court? has,
Yes, my lords. Before
rejected-
take my lords to the finding, I just place two things. Family court declined maintenance on two grounds. I have suppressed the material facts. And second thing is that I have got sufficient income. Court has not dealt with the income of the husband. Just it has gone with the income of the wife. This is
What
how
is the
the
income
family
of the-
court dealt with that.
What is the income of the wife?
Yes, I just place it. And also I take my notes, first of all, my notes straight away, I take my notes to the finding. My notes will find it at page number 43. I take my notes to directly to the finding, how the court has dealt with the
This
case of the,
Second case?
my submission as family court has not looked into the entire materials to put it in short, there is my argument. I'll take my notes to page number 43. Page 42 may be seen, my notes, the affidavit is culled out. Affidavit in terms of Rajini versus Neha has been culled out, 42. It starts from 28, para 28. It means that when she files an affidavit on 21/11/2023 as well as 13/12/2023, she failed to disclose either alienation of any immovable property standing in her name or acquisition of any property in her name. When this court directed her to submit her taxpayer information summary TDS, she is compelled to disclose the acquisition and alienation of immovable property at Mumbai. It is pertinent to note here that her TIS for assessment year 2023 discloses that she sold the security and units of mutual funds of rupees 10,45,424. She purchased two immobile property. Kindly mark this, two immobile properties. This is factually incorrect. for total consideration amount rupees 2 crores 7 lakhs 99 lakhs 741. This is also factually incorrect. And for sum of rupees 1 crore 8 lakhs 82,141. And another property for sum of rupees 99 lakhs 17,600. This is also factually incorrect. The TAS for assessment year 2023-24 shows that she sold the property for sum of rupees 56 lakhs 33,139. All these information gathered from her TAS clearly shows that she purchased the more than 2 crores and sold the property of rupees 56 lakhs 33,130. 2 crores is factually incorrect. Kindly mark this. Next, no doubt that she has produced some family agreement, registered gift deed, etc. But all the same are subsequent to commencement of litigation. Kindly, this is also factually incorrect. Family agreement is before the litigation. A gift deed was subsequent. Therefore, at this stage of the proceedings, that too, while considering the present application, in my opinion, those gift deeds, family settlement deeds cannot be considered. If the said documents were much prior to commencement of litigation, before the marriage of the petitioner, respondent, then the matter would have been different. But the thing remained as it is that respondent during the year 2021-22 purchased the two properties for consideration amount of rupees 2 crore, and for the year 2023 she sold the property for more than 56 lakhs. These materials have been suppressed by the best reason known to her. This is the finding. Next, admittedly their marriage was solemnized on 5/12/2020 at Mangalore, but interestingly she shown her as a single in her income tax return filed for tax year 2020 and 2021 before the Revenue Agency of Canada. It is relevant to note here that on 30/4/2021, she filed her income tax returns for the tax year 2020. And 29/3/2022, she filed income tax returns for the tax year 2021. But in both the said income tax returns, she shown her marital status as single. Even though at the time of filing said returns, she was married. Of course, this is irrelevant, but however, the court has noted it. But however, while filing income tax return for the tax year 2022 on 5/12/2023, for the first time, she has shown her marital status married. But at this stage, apparently on the face of the record, it's clear that she gave false information about the marital status before the Canada Revenue Agency. The said fact is, though not much relevant for deciding the present application, but it shows that she has a habit of suppressing true facts. Pertinent to note here that respondent is claiming 5 lakhs towards the cost of litigation, alleging she spent the huge amount for
statement of assets and liability.
Yes, sir. Yes. My lords, we filed 2 statements of accounts and liabilities. My lords, the original records which I placed along with my memo, out on copy, which is already on record before.
Take that.
My lords, there are 2 affidavits. That is, one is affidavit filed
Come to
on.
her expenditure.
Sir?
Come to her expenditure.
Yes, my lords would get it at page number. Page 4 of my memo. My lords got it, my lords. In this, I have stated that this is the cost, my lords, 1 crore, 1,40,000.
In that 20,000 has to be deducted because they are paying for your air travel.
Traveling, the effective.
Medical expenses, health.
It's only
insurance,
effective.
10,000.
They are paying.
Grocery and laundry charges as per month 15,000.
Yes.
Electricity 10,000. Miscellaneous expenses.
Yes.
2,000. Legal expenses 20,000.
Yes. My lords, I'll just give small dates, my lords, for that.
If the expenses are 1,20,000, how much you are earning?
Please, my lords.
Every month, how much you are earning?
I'm not earning anything. I left the job, everything, because I'm staying in Bombay. Now I want to attend the family court at Mangalore. Nobody gives me a job because I should attend the family court. I was in ICICI Bank. I got resigned. I left the job. Now the family court holds that I have suppressed the material, I got purchased two property. All are factually incorrect. That is the reason why I placed that documents on record. along with them.
Why you are saying that you will not get a job?
Because I should attend it, because my parents are staying in Bombay. I should attend the court proceedings and all, then it's very difficult for me to, because from Bombay to Mangalore, it's very difficult to travel.
You have a flight.
There is
Husband
always
is paying
there,
the-
but
Husband is paying the,
because of the shock which, yes,
it is like something which.
yes,
can
my
be
lords is right.
actioned.
Yes, exactly. My lords, now, because of the petition filed by the husband, I was shocked and got it resigned. I am not able to work because of the mental
When was the
pressure.
marriage?
Yes, that's the reason why. My lords, marriage takes place on 5th December 2020.
5th December?
2020.
Hmm.
My lords, wife worked in India for a period from April 2020 to 15/1/2021 in a child organization, Mangalore.
Hmm.
Then wife works in ICICI Bank in Mumbai from April 2021 to July 2022.
What is the salary at that point?
Yes, salary which I have called out in my affidavit. This is the salary. 25,000, my lords, is the salary. Yes,
When they were separated?
yes, yes. My lords, separation was on 5/7/2021. Divorce petition on 2/7/2021.
27?
21. 27/2021. I'm sorry.
27?
2021. Yes. This is the gist of dates.
So from 2021 till now, she's not working.
Not working. My lords, wife worked in ICICI Bank in Mumbai from April 2021 to July 2022 is the last which I'm.
Then
Yes, my lords. Then my lords will.
where from according to you, the court has inferred all this about the
Yes, yes,
properties?
yes, yes.